is up, everybody, and welcome to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. You're tuned in to Furnish My Apartment Friday series. And so this episode will be about how I hung up my wall art using these command strips. I used my same wall art from my Ocean Beach studio. I just wanted to bring a little bit of my old place into my new place. And living in an apartment, I can't just put holes in the wall. It's not like my studio is just a separate landlord. This is like an apartment community with like a company that's like, no, don't put nothing on our walls. So I heard really good reviews about the 3M command strips and that, it holds up pictures really well on the wall and it doesn't leave any marks on the wall, and it doesn't get too stuck on it if you want to take it off. So I was like, hey, it's worth a shot. So it's super easy to use. I just separated the command strips and then I clicked the two pieces together. And then after that, you remove one of the liners and you apply the strips to the fabric or whatever soft surface is in the back of your wall art. So I used about 2 command strips per picture. For the smaller pictures, I actually only used 1. Even though each and every picture I hung up had a different shape in the back, it still was super easy to apply even the round clock, and you'll see later in this video where I place those stickers. Well, command strips. So now it was time to place the pictures on the wall. In this video, I really didn't have my tripod set up straight, so it kind of looks a little crooked, but it was so easy to apply. Once you have the command strips in the back, you just press the photo, the picture, whatever art you're hanging for 30 seconds against the wall. They do recommend that you remove the frame so you can secure and make sure that that one strip is secured on the wall, and they want you to let it set for about an hour and then click the photo back on the wall. But y'all, I am not the most patient person. I was just excited to finally have some kind of wall decor going on that I just left it up there, and it still remained except for one photo, and you'll see which one it is. So when I moved out, I parted with like most of our stuff, but just this wall decor, I just couldn't. I definitely, like I said, wanted to bring a little bit of OB into it. And most of these pictures, they still had tags in the back, are from Marshall's, TJ Maxx. I believe the gold mirror is from Dollar Tree, and that top turquoise one that says "You are my happily ever after," something like that, is from Dollar Tree as well. These 2 OB framed photos are from my best friend. She knew that we were really sad to leave OB, even though we love our new neighborhood, but still, y'all know how I am. Once I get attached to something, it's hard to let go. And she also gifted one of these pictures that says something about surfing, and then the huge California, and this clock is from TJ Maxx. So as you can see, it's not hard to place the command strips on a round piece of decor that you're hanging up. It looks a little funky if you look really close, but from this view, you can barely even see the command strip. So this was my problem child. I only placed 2 command strips, one at the top and one at the bottom. And like for right now, it was fine. And maybe I should have let the one layer of command strip sit on the wall for an hour and then click the photo on it. But you'll see later, I definitely figured it out And so the command strip says it holds up to 8 pounds. So I don't think the photo is that heavy, but we'll see. But I just love how this wall looks. It's super cute, and I know it's gonna fit in with the rest of the way how I'll decorate our living room. So as you can see, our beautiful California picture fell. So I ended up having to buy more command strips, but can you see like the gold frame? It's all bruised up from falling. So I added more command strips. I had to order more online, and it definitely worked. I'm dying at the reflection of that picture. You could see Olivia's cartoons, but this was the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and next week I will have a special DIY that I'm really excited about. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a thing. Thanks for watching. Later.